All right, so let's get going. What's gonna happen is like this is just for me and maybe you guys to do a demo on how to create a simple app with React or Node that helps making calls, right? So I don't know how much of it can I cover. I try to be as precise as possible and we'll go from there. How about that? Okay. So I'm gonna use terminal to just create a directory and let's go from there. Let's make directory of, let's say, simple React app. Okay, let's go to simple React app. Then we say yarn. Oh, I like yarn. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, actually I want to do it see that index.js. There is no repository. My name, right? And yeah, no. Okay, so yeah, just a simple package.json. Now let's do another git init. All right. Okay. So actually, I didn't create a remote repository. Let me just create it very fast. It's gonna be like the thing that I'm gonna add, so you guys can actually use it in case you wanted to. So let's go here. I would actually call the repository React Showcase. I don't think you see my screen, but that like I don't think it's a. Okay, I'm just gonna create a simple. Okay, let's call it. It's a public and it's a React node. Okay, it's a private. I don't want to read me right now. We will add it later. I'm pretty sure I do have to add a git ignore, but that's okay. So git status. Yeah, I know. Git add. Let's add everything. Git commit sham, and it is init commit. Okay. And then let's add this, right? So this is going to be the master project, right? Now let's say git push origin master. Oops. Git push origin master. My username. Alright, so let me actually bring it here for typing the password because as you know, alright, so I uploaded it. Let's basically this is like an empty repository now. Yep. Alright, perfect. Now let's go to actually do some stuff like some groundwork, right? So I would say we kind of need some yarn. Let's add yarn add -b. We want React DOM. Right, these are the projects that we definitely want. Then I'm pretty sure I do have prettier, but just see yarn add. I think it's global dash prettier. Is it global? Let me see. Yarn global. I'm pretty sure it's global, but isn't it? Okay, yarn global. Sorry, yarn global prettier. Go. Oh. Alright, so that's going to be prettier. And then let me make sure that my Visual Studio Code is correct with prettier. Prettier. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay. Then we kind of have to add the ESLint too. Okay, so yarn add dash e ESLint and ESLint dash config dash prettier. I think it needs a React one too. I'm not sure. Let's see. ESLint. Okay. So as you see, it's all groundwork for now. Let it finish, and then we go to the next thing that we need to do is configure the ESLint, right? So let's open here. Oops, oopsie. Open. Oh, there is no open folder. Alright, it's what was it? It's okay, simple React app, right? This one. Okay. So it has too many active changes. So if good features will be okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I actually wanted to do it, so it's just added for me. Okay, sure. Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Node modules. Oh, what happened? Wait, did it add it or? Oh, it did add it. Okay. Not much. Okay, go. And then I think it's a DSS store that as far as I know, there is a DSS store that I have to add for the Mac. I'm using Linux, so yeah. Okay. So there is a dist folder that basically it's not gonna work. There is gonna be a .cache folder .m file .es store for Mac iFile for Edge to cover. The coverage is for like code coverage. If we gonna do just code cover, I think it's a I forget the name of it. And then there is a VS Code directory too. So we basically don't need this one. So we're just gonna add them to the gitignore, right? Now let's add a new file. Ooh. Let's save it as ESLint rc.json. So it's our ESLint configuration. So what does it do? It extends. So this is going to be the rules that we're gonna use. So I'm gonna use ESLint recommended. Right. We will use install Prettier React. Okay, that's fine. And then I'm pretty sure I have to install Prettier React, but let's see, Prettier React, right? So this is going to be the roles, then any plugins, there is no plugins. Now parser options, so which type of parsers we are using. Our ECMA features is, first of all, we're going to use JSX, so JSX will be true. Then our ECMA version will be 2016. Why 2016? I'm gonna do 2018. And then our source type will be module, right? So we're gonna use the module system. And then our env will be, our environment will be what? Or we are going to use ES6, which is true. We will be using browser features, so this is true. And we will be using Node, right? Which is true. Okay. So this is our ESLint config. I think I have to use Prettier React, but let me look at that. Should we use Prettier React or no? Pretty sure I should, but I don't remember it. Let me look at the notes. I think I should add Prettier React, but you know, let me look at my. Pretty sure I need Prettier. Well, maybe not. Okay, so that would be kind of it for this, right? Now let's just in case, like, let's see how it works, right? So let's add a new folder. Let's call it src. So in the src folder, all our stuff will go there, right? Like all our source code will go there. Let's call this index.html, right? So HTML okay. So this is going to be basically simple. Basically, this is going to be our index file, right? Like, not index file, like the thing that we will be using for the what is it called? Like everything that, like, our HTML file, right? So let's name the app is like what? What do we gonna name the app? Let's say the name of the app would be Call Me? iCall. I don't know. Let's name it iCall. Yeah, iCall. So it's going to be like a dialer. Like it will, like the app will be very similar to dialer on your phone that you actually can use on other APIs to make phone calls, which is I think it's cool, right? So don't worry about any other stuff. It's just like a dialer that makes you make a phone calls, right? And then I kind of want to name, wait a minute. Okay, so now let's actually add a script at the end. Let's actually add a div. ID will be root, right? The whole React application will go there, and then script source script. Okay, let's add another file. Let's call this app.js, and then let's say import then from here I would, did I install React now? Just want to make sure I did install React DOM. So let's just save this. Let's save it. So source on this one will be app.js, right? And then there is something else that I will need to change. Yeah, this is app.js. That's okay. Yeah, I did add a React app too. Okay, good. Then what I have to do here is actually just render something, right? So I'm gonna render a simple thing to just see it's actually working, right? It's gonna be a very simple thing that React DOM renders to the app, right? So let's just say return. Let's read. I actually should have called this HA because JSX because this is React. Okay, and then React DOM dot render. So our app component, right? To back unit that get element by ID of root, right? So very simple thing, right? Let me see if I forget anything. Why is it upset about these things? It's did I make any miss? You know what I did. This is not. This is this. Right. Okay. And what import is not import? Import is not defined. Import. What is it that I don't see here? It's a very weird thing. Import is not defined. Okay. This is good. This is good. This is good. I have to do the ESLint, but we will get to that. Let's actually get to parcel first, so we can actually run the app and see one more thing. Not render. So we know if it did render or if it didn't render, right? So let's just say -d parcel, right? Parcel don't get. Okay. It's so many things, I know, right? Okay, it's going good. It's going good. Okay, so now let's actually it will be part, yeah, I think it's yarn, right? Yarn, is it just parcel? I think it's yarn parcel as far as I know, right? It's gonna be, yeah, yarn parcel sourcing index.html. Right. And it's telling me that it is running, so let's see. Okay, so as you see, simple, right? So this is React is showing up, right? Okay, I don't need this, let's just delete that one. Okay, so this is very weird. Let me just close this one and let's open it again. Okay, now it's fixed, but that was weird error. Okay, now again, I do not have any, like, I don't kind of think about the layout, but let's see how it goes, right? I kind of want to use the React Bootstrap library. Don't remember the name of it, but it's let's see, React library. The React Bootstrap. What was it? What was the library that I wanted to use? That okay, let's see. I don't remember it, honestly. That's a very weird thing. And the funny part is, like, I used it before too. But let's see. Let's go to repositories. Let me see, what did I use that I don't remember. Seriously, that's a very weird thing. That I don't remember anything out of it. Come on. What did I use? Oh, Material UI. My God. Okay, so let's go to Material UI. UI. Sorry, my computer is not very fast, so it kind of takes time. Okay, let's add it, right? So this is the thing that we need to add. Let's translate. Okay, that's a very weird thing. Okay, so let's add that to the. Actually, before I add that, let's do. So let's add this git commit -n. Okay, this is going to be start clean base for the project. Okay, and then git branch. We are on master, but we don't want to be on master anymore for reasons that I will talk about. Basically, what I want to do is, like, after we did our tooling and we want to, like, upload our stuff, we want to be able to simply go, simply like do the thing, do like just push into master and it just deploys, right? So we will go to the another branch. Okay, git check out, let's say dev. Okay, git check, I think it's git branch, right? Git branch dev, and then git branch. Okay, git check out dev. Okay, now we are in a dev branch. Perfect. Okay, now let's add material UI core. Right, that's what we want. Now again, this is gonna be kind of slow because unlike you, I'm gonna read through it and then going with it, right? Maybe it would be better for me to just like exactly learn it and teach it, but we'll see, right? Okay, so the material UI core is done. React is defined but it never used. Okay, I know. We'll get to that. Okay. Let's see. So what do we need? What do I want to do? I want to be able to, for a person to log in. So we have to have a login module. The login module will consist of like a user and password and like a sign up thingy, and then when they sign up they can see the flow of application, right? So let's just add another component. Eventually I like to actually like add the whole thing in the terms of a component too, but for now let's just add it as it is. Okay, let's say login, right? Login.jsx, and that's gonna be JSX, right? So import. Actually, let's change the app to JSX too, because I know I'm gonna do it. So JSX, and now this is going to be JSX, and then wait a minute. See, this is the thing that I forget. Now scripts, right? Let's say if we say dev, it's going to be parse, so source index.html, right? So this way, when we say dev, just going to run, right? And let's say there is no file, such a file or dictionary, which is correct. So let's go to index.html and fix the problem. This is JSX, right? It's running, right? So just make sure it's running. It doesn't run actually. Let's see. Let's see the problems. Unexpected token. Okay. I think I have to. Let's do this again. Let's try it again. Okay, perfect. So this is going to be our page for now. So React, React, right? Then let's say we say const login, we will call this, which which is an arrow function, and then we say export default login GUI, right? So basically we will have it as a login view, right? It's gonna be like right now I'm gonna use a form for now, but eventually when we get to when I like learn more about Material UI, we're gonna make it prettier. Okay, so sorry. Let's go through return. So we will have a form, and so submit. Actually, on submit, I want E, which is the form, to be E dot prevent default, because we don't want the form to actually be submitted, and then process login will be our function, right? So we will have a function. Oopsie, yeah. Const process login, which we will take care of it later, right? Okay, so in our form we will going to have what? We will going to have couple of options, right? Let's say we just don't want any sort of like a Google login or anything, like it's a simple just input app, like so label HTML for, as you know, we cannot use for because for is a word for JavaScript, right? So label HTML for user name, and this is going to be user name, right? And we say input idea user name, and then actually no, it doesn't need to be closed, and then on value value will be username, right? User. Now probably it should not be happy. Let's try the link. Oh, we didn't add the linting. Okay, let's add the linting. It's a weird thing, but it's not link. It doesn't give me a linting error. Okay. Oops. This is okay. Right, let's see why the React, the prettier and the other things doesn't work first. But I'm pretty sure it should give me a linting error too. Right? Let's. Okay, yeah. See, username is defined. Okay. So const user name and set user name, which is use state. Yeah, thank you for bringing it up very easily. I really appreciate it. Okay. Okay. Now we say value is that, and let's actually do the same thing with the password, right? So const password or set password is use state of empty, right? And then placeholder will be username, right? Username. Now label HTML4 will be password this time. is input I input oopsie input input idf password and the value will be. That's a weird thing that it's not bothering me with the unchanged. I have to look and see why. That's a very interesting password, right? And then the placeholder will be password. Okay. So the prettier what's that? The prettier doesn't work as it's supposed to work. Let me see if I do have to, if I forget anything about prettier, but I don't think so, right? So, right. Okay, prettier. Pretty sure. Okay, let's look at the package.json. Let's do string. Format will be clear, here, right, and okay, let's escape this C. Okay, let's escape it. Okay, let's escape these two things. So we want everything in src. Star dot JS or JSX, right? This should be correct, right? The same thing should be for lint, right? Yeah. So this lint is going to be yes lint. Yes lint. Everything so that yes for JSX, right? And we want to dash quiet. Okay. So lint. All right. Okay. Did it go to the? I feel like it goes to the. Okay, this is not the thing that I want. It should be src dash. Pretty sure that's the one. Okay, let's do another lint because we don't want to. Okay, now it's better. Okay. React is defined but never used. App is assigned a value but never used. Okay. I'm using app, or did I miss anything? I'm pretty sure I'm using app. No? That's weird. Okay, this this is these two. I think prettier is not taking effect here too. That's the problem too, right? So we have to figure out why the prettier doesn't work as well. Okay. Okay, this is let's see. File preferences. Let me see how the yeah. Okay. Oh, I don't have a prettier RC, that's why it doesn't do it. Let's see. Okay, Control S. It's going to be that here RC. And it's going to be an empty object just to okay, perfect. Now this solves the issue of a prettier. But there's another issue with the ESLint that is giving me the only thing that I can think of is maybe this. But it shouldn't really matter. Okay, React use, but it doesn't. Alright, let me take a break. I'll figure it out and then I'll continue, okay?